to the video classes of a class 12th accountancy of Sri Vidyaniketan Public School and PU College, Shriram Nagar. See, in the last video, we discussed about the concept called the cash flow statement. There we discussed what is the cash inflow and what is the cash outflow, everything. From this video, or I can say in this video, we will be understanding the first activity of a cash flow. Meanwhile, see, the cash flow activities has been related or has been divided into three activities, that is cash flow from operating activities, cash flow from investing activities and a cash flow from financing activities. Cash flow from investing and financing activities we will discuss later. In today's class, we will be understanding what is the cash flow from operating activity. What is operating activity? It is a basic function of any business organization. If you want to start a business, what is the basic function? That is, you have to do purchase and sales. So, income and expenses, that is the inflow and outflow of a cash which is related to purchase and a sale of a goods and services in an organization is called what? Cash flow from operating activities. Don't keep it complex, just keep it simple. Operating activities means basic function. What is the basic function? Purchase and sales. So, any cash inflow or any cash outflow which are related to purchase and sale of goods and services in the organization is called what? Cash flow from operating activities. Purchase, sales, advertising, manufacturing, because advertising, manufacturing all are related to the purchase of goods and the sales of goods. So, anything which are related to operation of an organization, those cash flows are considered, comes under cash flow from operating activities. See, the cash flow from operating activities we have divided into two categories, that is the cash inflow and cash outflow. What is the cash inflow? As I told you earlier that you have to think in the business point of view, not in a personal point of view. Cash inflow means if any amount comes to the business, that is considered as a cash inflow. If any amount goes out of the business, that is considered as a cash outflow. I have given a few examples of a cash inflow, that is a cash sales. See, it's not that a cash sales means you are selling a cash, it is you are selling the goods by receiving a cash. Are you understanding? For example, you have a bookstore. I am a customer to your bookstore. I will come and I will take one pen of a 10 rupees. I will buy a pen and I will give a cash. So, for you it is a cash sales. You are selling a pen by receiving a cash. It means the cash sales is a cash inflow. How it is a cash inflow? You are selling a pen and cash is coming to your business. So, it will become a cash inflow. Understanding? The next what we have? Cash received from debtors. Who is a debtor? Any person who has to pay you the money, he considered as a debtor. That's what I have given here, cash received from debtors. Let me continue the same example. You have a bookstore, I am a customer. I will buy a 10,000 worth of books in your shop. How much? 10,000 worth of rupees books in your shop. I will tell, I don't have the money now. After 1 week, I will pay you. So, I am what? Debtor. Why I am a debtor? You need to receive the money from me. So, I am become a debtor for you. After 1 week, I will pay you a 10,000 rupees. I will pay you 10,000 rupees. For you, in the sense for your business, cash is coming or cash is going out? Cash is coming in. So, it considered as a cash inflow. Are you understanding? We have other example like cash received in the form of a commission and a fees. Cash received in the form of commission and a fees. For example, you are a doctor, I will charge some consultation fee, 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees. So, cash is coming to your, what to say, the business or your hospital. So that considered as a cash inflow. And a royalty received. Royalty received means the cash benefit given to the organization. So these all comes under the cash inflow. What is cash outflow? Cash purchases. Cash purchases means you are purchasing the goods by paying the cash. See, you are not a manufacturer of a pen. You have to buy the pen from the other company. For example, Cello. What you are doing? You have a bookstore. You will buy the 1000 pens from the Cello company. One pen cost 5 rupees. 1000 means 5000 rupees. So you are paying a 5000 rupees immediately and receiving the goods, purchasing a pen by paying the cash. So cash is going out of the business. So it considered as a cash outflow. Then cash payment to the debtors, or a cash need to pay to the creditors. That is a second example I have given there. Payment to the creditors. Payment to the creditor means, for example, say take a same Cello company or other book ITC. You are purchasing a 1 lakh worth of the books from the ITC company, but you are not paying the cash immediately. After 1 week or after 1 month you will pay the cash. So ITC company will become a creditor for you because you have to pay the money to the ITC. So that ITC company will become a creditor for you. So any payment you done to the creditors, that will be the cash outflow. Then income tax paid. So income tax paid is also considered as a cash outflow. So like this, to understand this operating activity, the main thing you must understand, you have to list out what all the cash item, what all the non-cash item, what all the current assets and what all the current liabilities. If you are able to judge these 4 categories, that is what all the cash item, what all the non-cash items, what all the cash assets and what all the cash liabilities, or a current assets and a current liabilities. So if you are able to justify, or if you are able to divide these 4 in a question, then framing of a cash from operating activities becomes easy. In the next classes, I will tell you the different methods of calculating cash flow from operating activity. So we have 2 methods, the direct method and indirect method. I will be giving you a format and I will be explaining you the problems from the next classes. Thank you, students.